Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to do this T accounts question that the professor sent us in the WhatsApp group. And what she wants us to do is basically write down trial balance, income statement, statement of owner's equity, and balance sheet. How do you do all of these? Basically, I wrote already the T accounts down so I don't have to go back to the picture. I wrote the question down. So I'll be teaching you how to do the steps step by step, but I'm not gonna write down anything because I already wasted a lot of time trying to do this video, so I'll just get right to it. Trial balance. How do you get trial balances? The trial balance is basically anything at the end. So the score of the balances, like the cash balance, the account receivable balance, all of those balances, you can write them down. We already took this question back in the first semester, so I don't want to repeat it because you should already know how it works. So I don't have to write them down again. So I already did it. I already wrote the total of them. If anyone wants like the answer for them or don't want to do it by themselves, you don't have to do you know, you don't have to watch the video. So if you want to do it by yourself, I'm going to show you right now all of them. So anyways, I'm going to go back to it. Trial balance is the first step you're going to do. And it's pretty much the most easiest step you're going to do. Then second step is going to be income statement. What is income statement? Basically, the revenues and expenses. You're gonna write them down. How do you get the revenue and expenses accounts? They already been written over here in the T accounts question. It's all in the question. So like service revenue and sell revenue, you're gonna write them down over here, and you're gonna write the expenses as well in the expenses area. And then you're gonna total them both, and then you're gonna subtract total revenue from total expenses, and then you're gonna get net income. After you get net income, that will be it for the income statement. The third step is going to be statement of owner's equity. How do you do statement of owner's equity? Is basically you're gonna write down the beginning capital. It's gonna be in the question as well over here, the capital, and you're gonna write down the net income is going to be in the step we did before the statement of owner's equity, which is income statement, the net income. You're gonna write it down, and in drawings is withdrawing, basically withdrawing anything from the company and not for personal use. um, Drawings, we don't have any drawings in this question. They didn't write anything about it, so you're just gonna write 0. But if you have drawings in the question, what you're going to do is basically um, you're going to subtract um, this number from drawings, and then you're gonna get the ending capital. But if you don't have any drawings, then you're just gonna keep this number the same. This is basically just calculating 400,000 with this net income, and you're gonna get this number. Lastly, we have balance sheet. Balance sheet almost the same as trial balance. You're just gonna write down the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity separately. So like assets are like cash, account receivable, supplies, land, building, furnitures. Assets are basically anything that you have. Liabilities, on the other hand, is basically anything that you have to pay, and also unearned revenue is in liabilities. So you're just going to write these down separately from assets. And lastly, we have owner's equity. Owner's equity, what we have in this question is capital and net income. Those are the only things in this question, and that's what you need to know about this question. There's not much you can do. It's really not that hard. You just have to put your mind to it and try to focus and not write any mistakes in the exam. Thank you guys for watching.